If you've lost access to your Brookline Bancorp account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Brookline Bancorp official website. Look for the login section and click on it to access the account recovery options. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you cannot access your email, look for alternative recovery options such as answering security questions or using a phone number linked to your account. Select the option that works for you. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the prompts provided for your chosen recovery method. This may include entering personal information or answering security questions to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should regain access to your Brookline Bancorp account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.